Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to introduce this new WSKEN privacy screen protector, tempered glass, support fingerprint unlocking, 9H 10-time shutterproof for a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So they also carry the one for S24, S24 Plus. So yeah, I got this brand new S24 Ultra. I haven't put it on the screen protector yet, and it is still new. So I'm gonna do that right now. By the way, they also sell 2 packs or 4 packs. The more you buy, the cheaper it gets. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description, so you can check out this item. And I would like to give a shout out to Amy from their marketing team for sending me this. Pursue forever. Fashion, simplicity, show the elegant. That's their company logo. And this is made in China. Get a QR code scan this for the installation video. So they come with the installation kit, so you're not gonna have bubbles at all, and automatic dust remove. Let me take out the instruction. Oh, they even give you a panda sticker. It will come with the squeezy. And a thank you card. Right, here's the instruction. So this one is the 2-pack. Installation tools. There's a wet wipe, 2 of them. 2 of the just 1 microfiber cleaning cloth. And then a dust absorber. Alright, so let's go and then take out the brand new S24 Ultra. So mine has the original screen protector on there already. Then you gotta make sure there's no dust or whatever. If you already removed this original screen protector from the factory, then you need to use this wet wipe to clean it up first. It's got alcohol wipe. And after that, if there's any dust, debris or whatever on your display, you want to go and then use this dust absorber. But first of all, you need to wipe it clean first. Because I see some dust right here. Just make sure it goes down evenly. I'm going to peel out this original. Oh, I see the dust already over there. A lint. You need to remove the screen protector. Gonna align this onto the top. Press it down. And then two notch on the bottom right here, left and right. Align it. So this is like in the ankle position. Going to close the lid. Make sure you pull this while you're pressing this down. And then you're gonna pull the rotor downward. Wow, nice and clean. No bubble at all. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.